next problem is prove that integration 0 to pi by 2 f of sine 2x into sin x dx equal to root 2 times integration 0 to pi by 4 f of cos 2x cos x dx. This we have to prove. Now solution. So how to solve this one? So first thing you can check, this word limit 0 to pi by 2 and here is what 0 to pi by 4. So how we can convert limit pi by 2 to pi by 4? That means we have to use property number 5. Okay, so if you use property number 5 here, so this one we are assuming what? I. So I we are taking what? 0 to pi by 2 f of sine 2x into sin x dx. So here we are assuming property number 5. So this one we can add I equal to integration 0 to pi by 4. Okay, fx is this one only, f of sine 2x sin x plus f of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so here f of what we write, sine 2, this one we write pi by 2 minus x into sine of pi by 2 minus x dx. This we will write. So this will come out I equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 in bracket f of sine 2x, this is sin x, plus f of, here if I multiply 2 inside, so what will come? Pi minus 2x. Sin pi minus 2x is what? Sin 2x. So this becomes sin 2x, and here sin pi by 2 minus x is what? Cos x dx. This will come. So this one we can add what? I equal to 0 to pi by 4 f of sin 2x, we can take common. In bracket what will come? Here is sin x and here is cos x. So what will come here? Sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, and sin x plus cos x, what we can write? So this I am telling here, sin x plus cos x. So how to simplify this one? So what we will do here, this one we are writing what? 1 by root 2 and root 2 multiply also sin x plus cos x. Okay, so if you multiply and divide root 2 by root 2, there is no effect. Then 1 by root 2 will take inside. So what will come here? Root 2 is outside. 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x. This we will write. Okay, now here what we write? Root 2. 1 by root 2 we can write as what? Cos pi by 4 sin x plus this 1 by root 2 we can write sin pi by 4 cos x. This one we can write. So this one we can write what? Root 2 times sin x cos pi by 4 plus cos x sin pi by 4. This one we can write sin of x plus pi by 4. This one we can write. Okay, so instead of sin x plus cos x, what you can write? Root 2 times sin x plus pi by 4. So this will come out I equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 f of sin 2x, and this one we can write root 2 times sin of x plus pi by 4 dx. This one we can write. So this will come out I equal to root 2 is outside, integration 0 to pi by 4 f of sin 2x, and this what? Sin of x plus pi by 4 dx. Okay, so root 2 0 to pi by 4 came, but we want cos 2x and cos x. Then how to find out? So here what we will use? We will use property. Okay, so which property we will use here? Here we will use property number 2nd. Okay, integration a to b fx dx. Okay, so this one we can add what? Integration a to b f of, instead of x what you can write? Sum of lower limit plus upper limit minus x. So instead of x what you can write? A plus b minus x into dx. This property we will use. Okay, so this one root 2 is what? Outside only, integration 0 to pi by 4 as it is. Okay, so here instead of x what we will write? Lower limit plus upper limit minus x. So lower limit is what? 0, upper limit is what? Pi by 4 minus x. So here instead of x what you will put? 0 plus pi by 4 minus x. What you will write? Pi by 4 minus x. Okay, so if you put here, so f of sine 2 pi by 4 minus x. So what will come out? F of sine 2 pi by 4 minus x. Okay, into sine of pi by 4 minus x. Okay, so here you write sine of pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 dx. This will come. Okay, so here instead of x, what you wrote, pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4. This will come. So here what will come here? This is root 2 0 to pi by 4 f of, if you multiply 2 here, so what will come? Pi by 2 minus 2x. So sine pi by 2 minus 2x is what? Cos 2x. So this will come out cos 2x. And here pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is what? Pi by 2. So sine of pi by 2 minus x is what? Cos x. So this will become cos x dx. This only we have to prove. Okay.